Today we are gathered to celebrate the graduation of Class 19-010. For the past 3 weeks, these NCOs have learned leadership, counseling, coaching, mentoring, Army writing, critical thinking, and problem solving to prepare them as leaders for their respective recruiting and retention battalions. At this time, it is with great pleasure to introduce Kansas Army National Guard Recruiting Retention Battalion Command Sergeant Major Richard Haney. Command Sergeant Major Richard J. Haney joined the United States Army in 1994 with the 25th Infantry Division, 7th Battalion, 8th Field Artillery in Schofield Barracks, Hawaii. After 3 years of active service, Command Sergeant Major Haney entered into the Kansas Army National Guard with Detachment 1, Headquarters and Headquarters Battery 1st of the 161st Field Artillery. While assigned to the 1st of the 161st Field Artillery from January 1997 to January 2005, Command Sergeant Major Haney served as a section chief and a platoon sergeant. Command Sergeant Major Haney was mobilized with the 1st of the 161st Field Artillery from January 2003 to January 2005 at McConnell Air Force Base in support of Operation Enduring Freedom. In January of 2005, Command Sergeant Major Haney accepted an AGR position with the Kansas Army National Guard as a recruiting and retention NCO. In April of 2010, Command Sergeant Major Haney was selected for promotion to Master Sergeant E8 within the Recruiting Retention Battalion and served as the Area 6 NCOIC. Command Sergeant Major Haney was then transferred to the position of First Sergeant of Bravo Company and served as the First Sergeant from April 2010 to October 2013. In October of 2013, Command Sergeant Major Haney moved back to the position of Master Sergeant as the Area 4 Recruiting and Retention NCOIC. In November 2014, Command Sergeant Major Haney was promoted to the rank of Sergeant Major and took over the Recruiting and Retention Operations Sergeant Major position. In September 2016, Command Sergeant Major Haney was appointed to the Command Sergeant Major position of the Recruiting and Retention Battalion for the Kansas Army National Guard and continues to serve proudly in that position today. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce to you Command Sergeant Major Haney.
Thank you. Thank you, class, for allowing me to speak to you today. Thank you, staff, for inviting me today. Today's an awesome day, more so for some than others, probably. I saw that we have 2 E7s in the graduating class today. Congratulations on getting off that legacy list. That's awesome. So good for you. Staff sergeants, you getting ready to take the next step. You getting ready to take the next step to be a senior leader. And with that title comes much more responsibilities. I know my NCOs know that I hold my senior leaders to a much higher level, as we should. So when you go home, I want you to look yourselves in the mirror tonight. And I want you to ask yourself, are you truly ready? Because it is important. It is important what we need you to do. And let's be honest about what we do. In a combat situation, as a Sergeant First Class, you'll be expected to lead a platoon into combat. It's a little different what we do in recruiting, but as a senior NCO, that's what you're expected to do. Your safety needs your help. Obviously, we're in a strength fight like no other. We all know this. We hear it every day. So go home, dig in, and bring some positive energy. As I move through the ranks, and I've been all over, and I've been in CYC in 3 different areas and done all kinds of stuff in recruiting since 2005, I will tell you the most important thing from a leader is your energy. Bring it every day, and your soldiers will follow. They'll run through brick walls for you. You bring it the wrong way, and that is also contagious. It's your choice. You wake up every day and you bring it, and they will follow. And they will bring it for you, okay? And make you look like rock stars. It's not rocket science. Okay, just go out there and get motivated. Super proud of y'all. I was told that I have 45 minutes, but I think that was about 4. I'm good. So super proud of y'all. Be safe driving home. Get ready to go home and kick some butt. Appreciate you. One more.
Thank you for those words of encouragement, Command Sergeant Major Haney.